counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made something.
What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy, we out here this morning, man. Almost afternoon, 11:50. Headed down here to the parts store, man. My bro worked down here at the parts store. Told me he got that fan for the Element in stock. So y'all know I don't like my babies being sick long, man. When I say sick, you know, I told y'all I gotta get the fan. Joe Cool told me it's my main fan. Hold tight. Old Harbor Freight. They said they're having a grand opening, a real big grand opening on the 25th. But yeah. He told me my fan, man, it's my main fan. Radiator fan, man. You know I got two. I got a main fan that keeps the engine cool. Then I got the one that comes on, you know, the AC fan. So he said my main fan is not it's like it's going in and out, intermittent. When it should be running sometime, it's not. So he tracked it down and said that's what it is, and that's what's causing the system to I think he said pressurize, putting too much pressure on the line. That's when I started getting warmer air coming out of the vents. But like now I can turn it on because I ain't had the AC on all day. Turn it on. Man, cold. It's cold, man. I'll run you up out of this junk. But as time go on, I keep driving it, stopping, and that fan not working like it's supposed to, it's causing it to pressurize. This is my good head. Yeah, this is my good head right here. Yeah, so we finna get that fixed, man. So I'm gonna hit up Joe, let him know I'm headed down here to pick it up. Hopefully he can go and grab this junk today, slap it on. I might just get Joe to do it because I know Kevin to do it too. Kevin changed the other fan for me a while ago, but since this is affecting my air, I want Joe to put it on and just check the pressure and everything, make sure the fan doing what it's supposed to do, along with the AC. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm about to do. Head down here and get this, and I'm gonna call Joe. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call Joe now and let him know I'm here to get it. And we'll hit y'all back, man. We'll hit y'all back in a little bit. All right.
Head toward Pepper Chase Drive, then turn left after McDonald's. At the light, turn left onto Pepper Chase Drive.
Yeah, man, pulling up down here at the Landing Center. I was so close to it just then, man. I said, man, let me ride through here, check on this lot, because I know Sean said they were supposed to be repaving one of the lots that we use down here. So we just finna check on it, man, since we already in the area. Use this time wisely, man, while I'm down here. Yep. 33 days. Let me see. Let me see. 33 days, man. 33 days out. A month and 3 days, boy. We finna, well, a month and 2 days, depending on if you got 32 days 31 or 30 days in the month, man. But we're a month away, put it like that. Yes, sir. I could have came down that First Street, would have bought me right here. So
in 600 feet, turn right.
Let me show y'all. This is where we'll be coming this way for the entrance. If you coming in off of 55, you're gonna come down the front. This is actually the front of the Landing Center. The back is on the side that we use for the car show. This is actually the front right here. They done repaved and restriped that lot right there. Look like they're gonna be doing that one next. So you get right here to the 4-way, bust that left, then this will lead you to the entrance of the car show. This will lead you to the entrance of the car show right here. Come on around, come on around, come on around. And boom, try to have my trailer parking over here. They park their trailers over here. And you get up here, like I said last time, you'll get up here. Boss lady and them gonna be right up here in the street. Like right about here. Boss lady and them gonna be in the street, right? Boom. You decide you just wanna be a spectator, pay your money, you're gonna go in that lot over there. You going on the car show side, pay your money, you turn in right here where these orange cones are. You'll be turning in right there. Yep. We're gonna go around and see. Finna go around and see what that lot looking like. Yeah, they done paved this junk. And they restriping this one. That's exactly what they doing right now. He restriping it. Yes, sir. We're gonna be looking good May 16th, man. Like I say, and again, man, all my prayer warriors. See, look at that. Them fresh white stripes. Fresh white stripes on that thing. Yeah, I need to stop at Walmart. Make me a Walmart stop. That just remind me. So there's a whole lot, man. Oh, damn. Whole lot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn, this light look even bigger now. It looks even bigger since they done did that. Get out and check it out, man. Yes, sir. This light look even bigger, man. So we're gonna have this lot over here too. This where judging and car washing gonna be over here. This joint's so big now, man. Yeah, it look like they even took it back some over there. The last year I had judging, car washing, and trailer parking over here, but man, it ended up getting overwhelmed, man, because it was so much traffic over here, man. We ended up getting kind of gridlocked over here, but for sure, this gonna work out better though. This gonna work out a whole lot better. But we probably have car washing all the way at the back. I think I'm gonna have car washing all the way at the back. You know what I'm saying? Make some kind of line so judging can come over here. Once they come, yeah, we'll have one of these lanes for judging. Man, they come through probably 2 lanes. 2 lanes for judging. And they come through, man, get judged. And then, man, just go on back down. And then they go into the car show. Because all this right here gonna be blocked off. We're gonna have all this blocked off, barricaded off. Gonna have all that barricaded off. Then they'll be able to come back, drive back up, and get in the car show. So the car show consists of this lot on back. Only thing somebody got to come over here and do is get judged or get their car washed over there, man. That's gonna be love. That's gonna be love. Yeah. I like what's going on. I like what's going on, man. Let me take a video. Send the family that work on the staff with me, man. Let me send my fam this video right quick. All right. What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy out here at the Lander Center, man. They out here getting it right, man. They out here getting it right, man. They out here repaving the lot. Repaving the lot and everything, man. May 16th. May 16th is going down, baby. Right here, Southaven, Mississippi, man. Southaven, Mississippi is going down, man. The Connect and Never Competing Part 5 car show. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it, man. I'm telling you, Part 5. Part 5, baby. Mark your calendars. Book your rooms. Book your rental cars, your flights, your trailers. Get your trailers right, man. Whatever you got to do, get them whips right, man. 78 Chevy boy, May 16th. I'll see you there, man. Don't be the one hearing about it, man. Be the one talking about it. All right. You too. What it do, man? Back at the crib. I ain't even record, bro. Made it home. I had bought the fan earlier. Kevin called me and said, man, gonna throw that fan on there for you. So I'm like, all right, cool. So he went and got I ran around there, he put the fan on. It's running cool, but honestly, I had turned the air on earlier when I left the Lander Center, man. And the air been running cool all day, you know what I'm saying? But we still put the brand new fan on it. So we're gonna go from here, see what's going on, go from there. And what else? Put the fan on. I think that's it. That's all I done did. That's all I done did since then. He put the fan on, so now I want to give y'all an update, man. Got a big update on the, Yeah, I got the truck key. Big update on the, So what now? Yeah. Big update on the storage, man. My bad. But this a nice size storage, dog. This is a nice size storage. So I already done talked to my guy. He gonna come over here and paint it. He told me just let him know when it's go time and call him, and he got me. So I'm gonna let y'all check this joint out, man. Big update. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man. You see what's going on, man. You see what's going on. He been coming over handling his business, man. He left the trailer here. He coming back tomorrow, finish it up. He gonna put me put my big door on here. Gonna put my big door on there, and then I told him I want one more window. I want another window on this side. Put me a window over here. See how? Hey, we done right. That junk vented. It's vented. Ain't nothing coming down. Ain't no rain getting in that junk. Got my loft up there. See, it's vented. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We almost there, baby. We almost there. Got my windows in that junk. Got my windows in there. Hell, I'm trying to open the window from the outside. See what's going on. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show y'all, man. The update on the. We got to come up with a name for it. I think I saw KG say that, man. I think I saw KG said we got to come up with a name for the shed, man. Come up with a name for the shed, dog. It's on, man. 78 Chevy boy. Keep it locked, man. All right.